the last time that we made some design, that was a chair. It's like the concept was from industrial type. I think it's best that we're going to continue the same, like like in one family or a certain kind of a collection. So right now, for the past few days, it came into my mind that I think a bed of that kind of concept will be a nice addition to the collection. So I made some sketches while I was in the office. Actually, I'm allowed to, not totally allowed to do some personal stuffs on office, but during my free time, actually. So that's why I came up with this idea. I have some idea in mind that I think it's best that I will going to add a bed or expand the collection on that design concept, design line, the industrial type, industrial look of furniture line that uses a combination of metal, wood, and as well as leather and fabric. So I think that will be a nice. It's pretty common right now. You can see it a lot, even if new companies, or I mean new furniture brands, are doing this in kind of stuffs. So that's why I think it's best that we're going to include it, develop something from it, and let's see. So for the newcomers here in my channel, I'm a furniture designer by profession, and I've been doing the work for around 15 years already. Have been overseas, away from home, away from family. So it's become a bread. It was my bread and butter already. So it's pretty hard to let go of it right now because it's the main source of income for my family, and I'm trying to get some. I'm trying to look for alternative source of income also, like maybe if I get some furniture company that is more closer to home, then I will go for it. But I don't know yet if I can easily shift because of, as we all know, that the income range from the country where from my home country was quite different. It's very far from what I'm earning now for my family, but hopefully I can find some company also. So the concept right now that we have is, this is a bed. It's standard bed, but this can be adjusted to size as per the client's requirement, because as we all know, there are different sizes of mattress. So yeah, from there, so it can be like a modular bed, as we call it. So the basic concept right now that I have come in my mind is this is the headboard part, and I think it will be nice if we're going to add this light around the headboard. This light will be made of alabaster with the LED light inside. For those who doesn't know what is alabaster, it's kind of a stone that it is translucent that can emit a light. That's why it's a stone that is best used for making stone lights, stone lamps. And here in the footboard part also, I'm planning to have a metal tube with the LED light also, LED strip light in a extruded what do you call this one, extruded profile with diffuser that it will hit it once the light is turned on, it will throw the light to the metal and it will glow. So the position is like this, so the light will throw going to the metal, so it will create a nice glow. So I'm thinking that these two will have two separate switches, because maybe on the headboard part you can keep it turned on during the night, because it's the light is quite less, because it's only emission of the LED light inside, and the one on the footboard will be a little bit the light is more powerful than the one on the headboard. So this is the kind of bed that I'm planning to do. So let's start with the sketches. Actually, I seldom do the sketches of the bed, because it's not every time that a client will ask for bed sketches. So the same thing, the process is boxing or a box method. So the way I do the sketches of the bed, the headboard, is I will just draw the headboard, then I will expand it a little bit, yeah, that way, there you go. Now you will create the box or the body of the bed. It's like that. I know there is some other designers also, may it be a furniture designer or industrial designers. They have different way of doing, or I mean making the perspective sketches. And I also very amazed by those designers that they will draw their concepts just the line. For sure, I know that you have seen, some of you have seen those kinds of drawings. Even those famous designers will do the same, just the lines, basic lines, and they will develop it. So there's plenty of way how you will develop the design on the furnitures. Not only furnitures, even other products, industrial products. So hopefully one day I can show you also how I will develop these sketches into 3D drawings, so that you will get some idea also, especially for those who are new or student of industrial design or maybe architectures, because interior designers, for sure it will help a lot of talents also, because there are plenty of very talented young individuals right now who are trying to crack the industry. my advice to those young individuals who are trying to land a job on a furniture or maybe some architecture or interior firms is develop your skills, hard skills, develop your software skills also. It will help you a lot, and it's easier. Be like this. Now we are on the headboard part where the light is. Yeah. Now this portion will be the alabaster part. If you don't know, if you want, I don't mean that you don't know. If you really want to know more what is alabaster is, you can find it on the internet. It's kind of stone that is whitish or some are yellowish in color, that is pretty translucent. It's very soft kind of stone that can be damaged easily, but you need to work it out, put some metal supports inside so that you can use it for some of the lightings that you want to put here. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm not happy with it. Hopefully it will come out well for you. This is the life. Just comment down below if you don't like this one. I know it's hard. It's tough. Yeah, it's tough sometimes. It happens in life. You go through something that not everybody will be liking you. But I hope I'm doing well from your own perspective over there watching this video. Yeah, I don't know here. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly or not. I think I am not giving enough justice for my for the design concept that I'm thinking, but let's see. Oh my goodness, it's hard. I don't know. I think we'll do for this one we'll do a 3D model of this one, and I will show you how it will look. So we'll make another video for this one, for this bed concept, and let's see how we can develop this one more into something. Let's try putting some colors, maybe it will come out. Yeah. So I have some markers here, yeah, that we can use. Okay, I think this will create something that we can determine the or can give something that we are looking for. So this portion will be the metal part. Yeah, I think so. I think we're going to put something different around here, but I would love this one to be that I would love to see this one in 3D render, so that because I'm also excited about this bed. It was just the other day that I have to think of it, and I think it will make something different. I'm planning to have the footboard decider in leather and fabric material. I think on the top portion around here will be leather, and the front part will be in fabric, so that it will create something that is leather, because it will easier to maintain, and it will take some beating, or it's kind of a tough material compared to fabric that is easily be get dirty. So that's why I think fabric will be leather will be on this portion, and the outer part will be in fabric, and of course the headboard will be in fabric also, because we need to have it soft material over there, because all of the time you will going to rest on it, so it will be, you need to feel it's soft. You need to feel the softness of it, and so that you can appreciate and enjoy your bed. So there you go. I don't know if it's come out well. Let's try to put some lines. Yeah, I think liner will work. So for those who among or everyone who wants to know some more about furniture making, furniture manufacturing, maybe I can help you. Just send me some message or comment down below on our video. How can I help you? Maybe some idea you want, you need. We can discuss that one, or you can private message me. I have Instagram account for this channel. You can go there also. You can follow me there, and you can message me directly over there. I would love to work also for other companies, like a freelance job. I'm also open for that one. If you guys know somebody or any company that is looking for a freelance designer, furniture designer, maybe I can help. I would appreciate if you recommend me or let them connect with me also. So I will be thankful for you. So I think we are there. I don't know if you like it or not, but I think, yeah, I feel that I did something for the record. Yeah, at least I have a record that I made this. I mean, I have the record of the design that I want for the collection, so I can develop this one later on also. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching me in this channel. I know I'm not really so perfect. I know, I feel also that I've been trying so hard to deliver, but I would love suggestions or recommendations from you guys. If you have any, pardon me with my, excuse me for my English, because I'm not a native English speaker. I just learned it from my childhood, and I grew up with that. I'm not so perfectly fluent in my English, but I hope you understand what I'm talking here. Don't be shy to say something around here. I would appreciate you guys. If you want to say something around here, good, bad, ugly, it will be fine. Let's interact. Who knows? Anyway, we'll to change into friends later on, right? So there you go. I hope you are learning something from here also. I would love to hear from you if you are learning something or getting something around here. I'm not really very good at teaching, but I'm trying hard. I'm trying my best, especially if you are working with me or we are colleagues in the office. I really love to teach my knowledge to, or pass my knowledge to my juniors also. So that's why that is one of the reason why I'm really trying to develop my skills here in doing videos and delivering something educational for you, so that you can learn something, can help you a lot. I'm trying to help. So there you are. This is my bed part of the collection, like industrial line collection. So hopefully I can put this one in the market, or I can find some company that wants to put this one in the market sooner or later, maybe.